After years of speculation, waitlists, and rumor mills churning away, Nikon has finally answered with the Nikon Z9 II, a bold statement from the Japanese camera maker that delivers flagship-level speed, imaging, and innovation. Built to follow the groundbreaking Z9, but redesigned with fresh internals, improved ergonomics, smarter AI autofocus, unmatched battery life, and refined stabilization, the Z9 II isn't just an update, it's Nikon's reimagining of the professional mirrorless powerhouse. In short, the wait was absolutely worth it. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Right at the core of the Z9 II is a brand new 60-megapixel full-frame stacked CMOS sensor paired with Nikon's latest X8 image processing engine, capable of blazing processing speeds and extraordinary dynamic range. The camera can shoot up to 20 frames per second in raw full resolution with a mechanical shutter, and a whopping 60 frames per second with the electronic shutter, using a cropped mode. Nikon's engineers have also implemented dual native ISO in the Z9 II sensor, delivering cleaner low-light performance and lower noise at higher sensitivities. For editors and image quality purists, the Z9 II offers raw profiles with up to 14 stops of dynamic range, perfect for high-contrast scenes such as snowfields, cityscapes at sunrise, and indoor stadium photography under mixed lighting. The autofocus in the Z9 II has received a massive facelift as well. Utilizing Nikon's advanced deep learning AI-based subject detection, the Z9 II recognizes and tracks humans, animals, vehicles, aircraft, birds, and even marine life. These enhancements include improved eye, face, head, body, and vehicle tracking across varying orientations and depths. In fast-action scenarios, sports, wildlife, run-and-gun news, this camera holds focus like nothing else. Even in low light and at small apertures, autofocus remains sharp and reliable. Nikon also upgraded its evaluative AF performance with predictive tracking algorithms that better anticipate motion trajectories and deliver amplified focus consistency. Another standout upgrade is the in-body image stabilization, IBIS, re-engineered to reach up to 8.5 stops of compensation, clearly leading in its class. For handheld shooting in low-light conditions or telephoto scenarios, this means tack-sharp results even at shutter speeds that would normally require a tripod. Combined with Nikon's VR lenses, the stabilization system creates a virtually shake-free shooting experience. Video users haven't been overlooked either. The Z9 II now supports 8K 60p internal recording, with 12-bit raw output via HDMI for external recorders, and 16-bit NRAW internal capture at up to 120 frames per second in 4K. Nikon has also introduced 10-bit N-Log HDR recording, ProRes RAW support via external recorders, and what Nikon is calling Cinema Color Profiles, a new set of color grading tools designed for cinematic workflows. Add in dual CF Express Type B slots, overheating-resistant design, and no recording limits, and the Z9 II is now Nikon's definitive hybrid workhorse. Physically, the Z9 II builds on the Z9's body but streamlines its ergonomics and weather sealing. The grip has been reshaped slightly to better suit a variety of hand sizes, buttons have been remapped for improved tactile response, and the rear multi-angle LCD now has a 4.36 million dot resolution with a 120 Hz refresh rate, making playback and live view smoother and more accurate. Nikon has also